Hello, next community. Wanted to show you I've got the shop configured. I keep moving things around, but I think this is going to be good. I need to hobble over this way and get my cane anyway, so might as well make a video. So now I've got this desk attached to this desk, so it'll make it really easy to repair printers over here. All this clutter is going to be picked up and organized. I just basically overhauled the entire house. So then I've got my two excellent C's. Let's see if I can zoom out a bit. So this one, and then because they're on wheels, I can slide it in here and then see all three of them from my desk there, which is necessary because of spaghetti. That's the term when things mess up. And then having this spot back here by the fireplace is good for just parts. And I've got more parts available back here because everything's on wheels. I can, wheel in and out on this table here. Because I don't always have to burn ROM chips and CD-ROMs and format hard drives, I can just, roll these printers out of the way. So it's just kind of a Tetris setup, so to speak. So having all this extra real estate attached to this big desk is going to be huge, and that desk over there. And it's just a matter of clearing it all up. And I think those rotating bookshelves, see, I moved this other desk over where she had them, and it's not a good idea because they've got small wheels. I put the appliance rollers, so I'm going to put them back there with the books. And I've got another one I could build. That's going to clean up a lot of the boxes that I have full of books. And let me see what I have in inventory. Oh, man, I'm exhausted. It's 11 in the morning. I've been at this since about 6. It takes a little bit of time because of this hip. But, it's fun. I enjoy it. When you're doing work for yourself and also helped a guy Bobby down in Florida. He's fixing up a next cube for a pop art display. So stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. I'm going to do some printing stuff. I'll show you the little printer I'm using to label parts. It's pretty neat. And I want to start selling some of these little tchotchkes because I think they're very useful, like specific toolkits and things that I'm finding that work well. All right. And then I also made it so I can get back to all of my outlets back here, including that fish tank, which we're going to set up. So it makes it easy to also get out that window because I want to drain the water that's in there and clean it out. And because it's on tile, this table slides as well. It doesn't need to be on wheels. So this whole thing slides easily this way. As I say, a lot more efficient use of space. Because I live here alone, this area works well for me as a man cave, so to speak, and workshop combo. Most people wouldn't be able to get away with this. And I know in the past when I had gals and roommates, they'd be throwing a fit. This is her organizing things. I'm like, that's not what I have in mind. Take bookshelves and put them on a bookshelf, Don't take up all the space on my couch. So it's like I have this ongoing battle with, I see the way I want things organized, and this is really good because I took charge of this so that shelves aren't getting and blocking doorways, and I can't access outlets, and she does a great job on a lot of things, but it's like half my garage is full of boxes that haven't been broken down. And I even bought an electric cardboard deal to trim them up. Granted, these are some of the things that I can do too, but it's something that, when I've hired her on, and I pay her for a month in advance. I'm just hoping that we get on the same page there, and I will be happy to assist on projects like that too. But it doesn't make any sense when I have an X-Acto blade. I can certainly flatten the boxes, We can certainly recycle them. Sorry to sit and rant, but it's just frustrating, man, some days. Okay, and so I need to leave space for this walker to get through. And it's like, it's amazing. It's like within a fraction of an inch everywhere. I don't know what the deal is. The other thing I want to tackle is the basement, okay? Because it's a really serious, it needs full revamp and organization as well. Um, so having these parts boxes out here and this printer here is okay. I've got my mobile table as well, so I can do projects while sitting at my desk here. And I like being able to do that because I can see the front and back door. If I've got workers out back or people coming to the door, like I know some packages were just delivered, I can see that. And I've got the ring alarms as well, so they work well. Okay, stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. And I really want to get to unboxing a lot of this stuff too. And, because I'm now setting up all the shelf space to do it, there's method to my madness. There's light at the end of the tunnel, and there's not a train coming at me. So we're good. All right, have a good day. And I got a bunch of stuff I'm shipping today, too.